Once again, this is a series of videos for the Echo videos for Chalk and Wire. This is a situation where what I want to be able to do for you on this is talk to you about Chalk and Wire. I'm going to go to the dashboard, but this is going to be primarily about editing and pasting, file upload, picture upload, utilizing the drag and drop piece in the file upload. So especially pasting of text. There's some things in that I noticed was a little bit more unique, and so I'm going to go now to this one that we've been working on, this portfolio here, and I'm going to go to AAA Bangs. I've gone to Home, I've gone to Dashboard, I've gone to Home, and then I've gone to the portfolio itself. Now, when we're uploading to this, it's a little different, and I shared with you earlier how to do that, but I saw in cutting and pasting there was a little issue with that. So again, this is the third B, I guess you could call it, part 2 of the third video on the introduction of the page, as well as on uploading and pasting. So I showed you this one the other day, where if I'm going to take some text from somewhere, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to add content, and then I go to the text box. But the key on this is when I go to the text box, that I'm going to go up here to the edit button, and then I'm going to hit a copy or paste what I'm going to put in there. So if I'm bringing it off of this, I'm going to copy it, but if I'm going to paste something in, I'm going to bring it from another location. So let's just say that I go to a Word document, and I just pull from a Word document, like here's a particular letter that's out there, and I'll just take from this, and I copy it. Now I minimize, and then I go to this. Now I hit right click on it like you would normally put in paste. It's not there. So I go up here and I hit edit, and if I read what it says on paste, it says Control V, and then you've got Control C and Control X to cut. So those are important pieces. So if I just hit paste, then it gives me in here the directions. It says your browser doesn't support that, and oftentimes this will be the case. So you can hit Control X, Control C, Control V. Again, X is cut, C is copy, and V is paste. So you hit OK. So I go over here and I hit this, and instead of hitting something there, I'm just going to hit Control V, and there it is. So Control V is your paste. You can copy it just like you would from any other normal document right there. If I copy just this part right here, right click, copy, and then I go to minimize that, go back to the document and right click, or I don't want to right click, I just want to say Control V, and there it is. That's what I copied over there. So that's important to know. If you get lost on it, always hit the edit and hit whatever you're wanting, and you can see the Control C, V, and X. Okay? I think that'll be very helpful to you, especially when you've done you want to do your editing in a Word document and bring it over. So if I save that, it's there, and if I hit close, I go back to the page, and then I can move that. It's always going to be at the bottom, so there's what it is, and I move that. Let's just say that was my background information, and I put it up there to it. There it is. It's put in there in my background information. Alright, now let's go ahead and upload. Now we're going to upload a new file. This is a file outside of the image library or the file library. And once I've uploaded this new file, it will be in my library, where the files for my library are here. So I go to upload a new file, and so when it pops in, it's going to say drag. Now you can do this a couple of ways. If you take this right here and I just minimize this, and I move this over here, and let's just say I go into one of these documents over here, or I can just drag, let me just see if I can drag this off of this. Is a dissertation piece. I'll just drag that and put it over there. I drag this whole document and put it over there. Look what happens. It's in there. Now all I have to do is start the upload. Okay? And so that way it's there. Alright? And I'm not going to put that one in there. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here, and I'm going to get something else here. I'll just use this defense statement right here because I didn't want to get somebody else's file in there. Alright, defense statement. Okay, so I hit start. There it goes. Boom. It's saved to the file library, and I can start uploading. I can put several documents here on just dragging them and putting them in there. And now if I hit add file, now it's going to pop up and give me which file I want to put in there, and I can just pull from different sites. Now I think I covered this earlier in the 3. Alright, but let's just I take this picture right here and I hit open. That picture's in there. I hit start. It uploads it. It's in that same page now. Or I can choose from Dropbox. If I have a Dropbox, I can pull in that, sign into my Dropbox, and pull it from my Dropbox. Okay? So there's several ways to do that, and I just wanted to go back and make sure you understood that you could do a file upload that way. You can do a new file upload. You can take text and paste that in there by using that Control V, and then if let's say you wanted to copy that and put it in another location in that, you can do Control C and copy all of that and move it over to another standard. Say you put it into this one and you found another place that it really fits better. Then copy it, move it over there. It won't take you long to do that if you know those simple Control V, Control X, and Control C. Okay, and that's all I really wanted to bring out to you on this. This is the second part of the 3rd video, and it may end up at the bottom of the list there. I'm not sure where to end up when I put it in Echo Center. So, and then the next video deals with mid-program review. So, I just wanted to let you know that that was a possibility there, and that that would be something that you could certainly utilize. So, thank you for watching this one.